To my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Alright everybody, so today it's going to be a MORPHEME unbagging. If you're unfamiliar, then this is just like any other subscription box. $10 a month, $20 a month. This one is $21 a month, so it's just a monthly subscription. You can either pay annually, or I think I'll pay annually, but I did annually because they were giving away a free palette and whatnot. So yeah, I definitely recommend this one. It's so awesome because you can never have too many brushes. But yeah. Alright, so if you're interested in seeing what kind of brushes I got, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red support button down below and the notification bell right next to it. And that way you can always be notified of my uploads, which are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So come on back to my channel on those days for new content. And without further ado, let's see what they dig into this MORPHEME package. It's like the second video that I filmed today, and I did a live too. So, and I also want to say thank you to everybody who came out to that. Thank you so much. So appreciate that. Y'all are just the best. Alright, let's see what brushes I got in here. I could have done both of these subscriptions together because I just filmed an IPSY, but I wanted to ensure that I had enough videos for the week. So I know I have at least 2 for next week, so that works out perfect. So, yeah. Alright. Okay, so, and here's Pretty Girl on the front, showing you the brushes and everything. And here is a 10% off coupon code. You can stop it right here if you would like and screenshot that or get that code. It's called Wine18. And yeah, I don't think you have to be a member to get this. Of course, if you want to sign up for the subscription box, then I do have a referral link down below. I don't get like a commission or anything like that. I think we just both get points and whatnot. So kind of like with my IPSY in my last video with IPSY and whatnot, if you click on that referral code, it's not an affiliate. I don't get any money for it. We just get points, and so do you. So alright, so the first thing I see is this Morphe G8. It looks like that. So it's kind of like a powder brush, I guess. Foundation-y kind of brush. I don't know. Guess we'll find out in a second. And this looks like a blending brush. It's a G17, which y'all know that I love blending brushes. Gotta have them. And I think I have this one. This looks just, I don't know where it's at. But if this one kind of came out of the bag, or was coming out of the bag. It's the Morphe G6. And I'm pretty sure I have this brush, and if it's the same one I have, then it's pretty awesome because it's so soft and it really just does perfect for the foundation. So I usually like to keep these in their wrapper and not open them until I'm going to use them and whatnot because I don't want them to get too dirty and everything. So yeah, I'm just going to keep them in the wrappers for now. Okay, so let's see what it says about them. Alright, and here's your little instruction booklet. Not really an instruction booklet, it just tells you how she uses them and whatnot, gives you kind of an example. The G6 is a flat buffer. If you can't find your corkscrew, this foundation brush will help you feel just as confident and flawless as a glass of wine. Yeah, it's a good brush. If it's the same one I have, then it's a really good brush. Yep, I told you, I have one. It's right here. It's so good. It's clean. I washed it and everything. This is such a good brush. There for a while, it was the only brush I was using. Alright, so yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that I have that brush. And it's a really good one too. I definitely recommend it. If you don't like beauty blenders, then that's a good one. Okay, and the G17, the round blender. Is that this one? G17, I think it's this one. The buffer, or the blending brush. This ultra feathery blending brush will be your partner in wine anytime you need to effortlessly buff out some head-turning eye looks. And G8, which is this, tapered powder blush. Tapered powder Oh, okay. Tapered powder and blush. So it can be both powder and the blush brush too. So, okay. Wine flies when you're having fun. Finish off your bad boozy look by blending your concealer, setting your makeup, and applying blush with this tapered powder brush. I love things like this that can be used for more than one thing. So that means like if you need to get out the door quick, just grab a brush, throw on your powder, throw on your bronzer, whatever, and you're good to go. So, alright, so we only got 3 brushes this month, but I wonder if these were expensive because the value that they send you depends on the value of the brushes, obviously. Because I want to say that it's like a maximum of like $30 or something like that per month. So sometimes that means you might get a lot of brushes, and sometimes it means you might get 1 or 2. So, but yeah, these brushes are such good quality. I really love Morphe brushes. They're so good. I love Sigma. I've never tried any MAC brushes. I can't really afford those, but yeah. And I just love that Morphe has this subscription because it's just so good. Because they send you brushes you would have never thought of, and then you try them and you're like, wow, what have I been doing with my life? So, let's see. Oh, and this is about the Shadow Me. I haven't decided if I want to get that yet or not because I have tons of eyeshadow palettes that I need to get through and everything. I don't want to completely throw them away, so I don't need to buy any more palettes for now. It says, keep your smoky eyes on the prize. Our brand new Life Glam Eyeshadow Club, Shadow Me, is finally here. Get a new palette with 6 shadows every other month for only $19.99, even though that's really not that bad. Bi-monthly, or $20 for bi-monthly, that's pretty good. These shadows will leave you speechless, so let your eyes do all the talking. We want to be best blends forever, so make it official and sign up on liveglam.com/shadowme. While you're there, use the code LiveGlamFam to receive a free Kiss Me lippy when you sign up for Shadow Me. And here's the palette that you'll be getting. Now, it looks beautiful, but I don't need it right now, so I might sign up for it later after I've utilized some of my other stuff and decided what I'm going to declutter and everything, so. Alright, guys, I guess that's the end of this one. Do you get MORPHEME? And if you did, what kind of brushes did you get? Because I know sometimes that they will let you swap out different things, so. Did you get these same brushes? Do they tailor brushes to you, or do they just send you brushes? I know you can trade them out and whatnot. So if you trade yours out, what did you trade yours out for? Definitely let me know down below. Alright, guys. So I guess that is the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, share, comment, and support, especially if you're new, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So come on back to my channel on those days for new content. And yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Alright, y'all. So today is going to be a MORPHEME unboxing. MORPHEME. This ultra